In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and manage your appointments on Booksy BizWeb with a focus on how to effectively cancel an appointment. Whether you're juggling a packed schedule or dealing with unexpected changes, knowing how to efficiently handle cancellations is crucial for keeping your day organized and your clients informed. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Booksy Biz website and log into your account. Once you're on the site, you'll find the login button, usually located in the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials carefully, your username and password, and hit enter. If it's your first time or you've forgotten your password, follow the prompts to recover it and log back in. Once logged in, you'll be in the main dashboard area of your account. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the interface where there's a menu that lists various options. Scan through these categories until you find Calendar. This section is your dedicated area for organizing and viewing all your appointments in one place. Click on Calendar and this will take you to a comprehensive view of your schedule. It's laid out clearly with times and dates that represent your availability and bookings. Once you're in the calendar section, locate the specific appointment you'd like to cancel. If you're managing a busy schedule, there might be quite a few bookings to sift through. However, take your time, scroll through the days, and check the appointments lined up. Once you've identified the booking in question, click on it. Doing this will bring up a small pop-up window displaying the essential details of the appointment, such as the client's name, service details, date, and time. To proceed with canceling the appointment, look for an option labeled Cancel or Cancel Appointment within this pop-up window. It's typically easy to spot and requires just one click. If the platform prompts you for an additional step, follow through by selecting a cancellation reason. The reasons can vary, but common options might include a client no-show, a provider needing to cancel, or simply selecting Other for any miscellaneous instances. Finally, confirm your decision to cancel. This might be a last verification step to ensure you're making the choice deliberately and aren't removing an appointment by accident. Once done, the appointment is officially canceled and your calendar will be updated automatically to reflect this change. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to ensure that you're managing your bookings and cancellations on Booksy BizWeb effectively. Keeping your calendar organized not only enhances your professional efficiency, but also ensures transparent communication with your clients. I hope this walkthrough helps you navigate any scheduling challenges with ease. Happy planning!